Hello everyone! In this video we are going to explain how the expenses section works in Kydemy. You'll find it under the Finances tab and inside the Expenses section. Here we can add the school's monthly expenses, for example, utilities like water and electricity, teacher salaries, or any material purchases for the school. To get started, we click the New Expenses button, and the first step is to create the paying business, which would be the school. We'll do it from scratch by clicking on New Businesses. We fill in the details. And the school badge number is mandatory, as well as the category. The rest of the sections are optional. We'll choose Training and Education and Training. We click on Create Register Business, and we have the payer business already created to use. Next, we have the supplier business, the provider business. In other words, the entity we're buying from. As you'll see, when clicking, previously used businesses are saved so you can reuse them. Let's create a new one. For example, the electricity company. We click on New Business and fill in the details. Electricity company. And in category, we have to choose Utilities and select Electricity. We click on Register Business, and now it's created and ready to use. As you'll see, there are 3 stages for the invoice. Open, meaning the invoice hasn't yet expired, overdue, and paid. Let's create a paid invoice. We can add the amount. In this case, let's say £150. The VAT is automatically calculated. We can input a concept, electricity, and the invoice number. We can also leave it the date as today, and if needed we can change it, and we can upload the file or picture of the invoice we receive for the payment of, in this case, the electricity. Below there are some advanced fields in case we need to, for example, change the currency, change the due date, or just write some observations. We'll leave it as is for now and click on Save Expense. And now we see that it's registered. As we can see, the system starts generating the monthly expenses total. It's possible to download it as a spreadsheet for Excel. And there is also an expense report section under the Reports tab, where you can view these expenses. Within the expenses report, you can view expenses, for example, by month, or even select to see all month. And that's it. Thank you.